Hi everyone, welcome to MLT Super Guide. Today I am going to discuss new subject histopathology. This is part 1, contains questions 1 to 15. First question, formaldehyde is a liquid, gas, solid, all of the above. Right answer is option B, formaldehyde is a gas. But it is soluble in water to an extent of 37 to 40% weight by volume. This solution of formaldehyde in water is called formalin. Formalin is one of the most commonly used fixative in most laboratories. Advantages: it is cheap, penetrates rapidly, and does not overharden the tissues. It preserves the proteins by forming cross-linkage with them and the tissue component. Next question. Stain used for hemosiderin demonstration. Crystal violet, Congo red, Ponder stain, Prussian blue. Right answer is option D, Prussian blue. Hemosiderin means it is an iron storage complex that is composed of partially digested ferritin and lysosomes. The breakdown of heme gives rise to biliverdin and iron. The body then traps the released iron and stores it as hemosiderin in tissues. Pearl's Prussian blue is commonly used method to detect the presence of iron in tissue or cell samples. Next question. Complex of stain and mordant is called alum, lake, accentuator, none. Right answer is option B, lake. And mordant means it is a chemical that serves as a link between the dye and the substrate. The result is an insoluble compound that helps adhere the dye to the cells. Next question. Van Gieson stain is used to demonstrate collagen, fungi, amyloid, carbohydrate. Right answer is option A, collagen. Van Gieson stain is a mixture of picric acid and acid fusion. It is the simplest method of differential staining of collagen and other connective tissue. Van Gieson stain is used to differentiate between collagen and smooth muscles in tumors and to demonstrate the increase of collagen in diseases. Next question. Which clearing agent acts quickly? Benzene, xylene, chloroform, all. Right answer is option B, xylene. Xylene, it is the most commonly used clearing agent in histopathology lab. It is colorless, watery liquid with a characteristic aromatic odor. It is insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents like ethanol, benzene, acetone. Next question. The ideal manual processing schedule is for dash hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours. The right answer is option B, 8 hours. Next question. The color index of eosin Y is 43580, 48350, 45380, 45830. Right answer is option C, 45380. Next question. Modern used in hematoxylin and eosin staining is xylene, alum, alcohol, iodine. Right answer is option B. Alum is used as a mordant in hematoxylin and eosin staining. Next question. To avoid autolysis and purification of tissue, which process is necessary? Fixation, carbovax, embedding, none. Right answer is option A. Fixation. Next question. Removal of water from tissue is called embedding, dehydration, clearing, none. Right answer is option B. Removal of water from tissue is called dehydration. What should be the ratio between the volume of tissue and fixative? 1:10, 1:40, 1:20, 1:50. Right answer is option C. 1:20 is the ideal ratio between the volume of tissue and fixative. Next question. The ideal thickness of block should be above dash mm for good fixation. 2 to 4 mm, 6 to 8 mm, 12 to 14 mm, 8 to 10 mm. The right answer is option A. 2 to 4 mm is the ideal thickness of block. Next question. The section cutting machine is known as microtome, histomate, histocut, none. Right answer is option A. Microtome. Next question. Clearing fluids make the tissue hard, transparent, turbid, all. Right answer is option B, transparent. Breakdown of tissue by bacterial action is known as fixation, putrefaction, infection, biopsy. Right answer is option B, putrefaction. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.